On behalf of Florence-Darlington Technical College, I am thrilled to extend our warmest congratulations on your achievements. Your graduation is not merely a final step, but a pinnacle of hard work, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence that you have demonstrated throughout your academic career. Your success is a beacon of inspiration for all, and we commend you for turning your dreams into reality. Prior to arrival, please note the following. This is a dignified ceremony, and you should give your accomplishment the respect it deserves. We ask that your family and friends refrain from loud outbursts during the ceremony. Florence-Darlington Technical College will not have a rehearsal. Therefore, all graduates must arrive at the Florence Center no later than 2:30 p.m. on the day of graduation. We will be lining up approximately 600 graduates by program and alphabetically, and the time is limited. More than 3,000 guests are expected to arrive, and traffic may be heavy, so please leave home early. The 2026 commencement ceremony will begin promptly at 4:00 p.m. Please be sure that you arrive on time. Tickets are not required. Therefore, there is no limit on how many guests graduates can invite. Your family and friends will be required to park on the upper level deck. No flowers or balloons will be allowed, and clear bags will be enforced. Graduates, faculty, and staff will park on the lower level parking lot, Gate 5, and enter at the bottom entrance doors. Family members will not be allowed to enter the exhibit hall with graduates on the lower parking area. Appropriate ceremonial attire. Graduates should wear semi-professional attire under their regalia. At the beginning of the processional, all candidates will wear tassels on the right side of their caps. During the conferring of the degrees by President Dr. Jermaine Ford, tassels are moved to the left side collectively. Cap decorating procedures. Please take into consideration the following rules when decorating your graduation cap. Failure to follow these rules will result in a replacement cap being given to you prior to commencement. There should be no offensive language, sayings, nicknames, pictures, or lyrics on your cap. There should be no objects such as signs, stuffed animals, bells, flowers, or any 3D objects on your cap. Lastly, there should be no political views. Examples of what can go on your cap. Think a parent, grandparent, teacher, or friend. You can also recognize the college or university you will be attending. Graduation photos. The company, Grad Images, will be at the commencement to take one picture of each graduate as they walk toward the stage, and one photo as they walk across the stage. The information on the back of your graduation name card given to you at the time of registration should be completed with your information to include your name, address, and email address. A copy of your photos will be sent directly to you from Grad Images after purchase. Graduation honors. Academic honors and PTK Honor Society members will be notated in the program. Students with honors will be read during the ceremony as they walk across the stage and will be notated on each student's name card. Stoles purchased should be FDTC school colors or graduates program colors. Registration stations. Upon arrival, report to the registrar's office staff in exhibit halls 106 and 107. Pick up your name card, then proceed immediately to the line listed on the back of your card. FDTC staff will be on hand to assist you with robing and lining up. Lineup begins promptly at 2:30 p.m. The card you will be given will be the card used to call your name as you walk across the stage. Please make sure that you bring this card with you when you enter the arena and keep it with you at all times. The reader will not know who you are when you come to the stage without your name card. Ceremony. After the guest speaker returns to their seat, the Vice President for Academic Affairs will explain the process. When instructed, only the first 3 rows should stand and approach the stage. All other graduates must remain seated until their row is called. Present your name card to the reader and continue walking as your name is announced. On stage, you will shake hands with the Vice President for Academic Affairs, the President of the college, Dr. Jermaine Ford, the guest speaker, and the board chair. You will receive an empty diploma cover in your left hand, and you will shake hands with your right. After receiving your diploma cover, you will walk off the stage and be guided to another spot to have your picture taken again in front of the FDTC banner while holding your diploma. Following this, you will return to your seat going down the middle aisle. Once your entire row has returned to their seats, the row may sit. Once all degrees have been conferred, all graduates will be asked to stand, and you will be directed to move your tassels from the right side of your cap to the left side, signifying your graduation from Florence-Darlington Technical College. Spring graduates may pick up diplomas the Monday following commencement. December graduates and corporate workforce development participants have already received their diplomas and certificates. Summer graduates will receive diplomas at the end of the summer semester. The processional will begin promptly at 4:00 p.m. FDTC staff will lead graduates into the arena. Once you enter into the arena, please remain standing through the following: presentation of colors, national anthem, and the invocation. After the JROTC exits the stage, graduates may be seated and follow the instructions outlined in the program and the FDTC staff. When the ceremony ends, you will be guided in line, row by row, to leave the arena by your assigned marshal. Platform party exits first, faculty exits second, graduates exit last, and you will return to the exhibit hall, then exit with your family. Regalia must be ordered online and picked up at the FDTC campus bookstore. Ordering opens on February 1st, 2026 and closes on March 15th, 2026. Students may pick up their regalia orders beginning April 9th at the campus bookstore. Please remember that you must pay your commencement fee before ordering your regalia. Graduates should place their order online at buildagrad.com/FDTC starting February 1st. This process is quick and easy. Lastly, graduates who need special assistance. Graduates, if you are disabled and require special assistance, please contact the Registrar's Office staff immediately at 843-661-8157 so we can plan for your needs in advance. Again, congratulations. We look forward to celebrating with you.